for. Okay, I will ask you what are the other things you would like from the magical donkey. So now we have another story coming up from our A storyteller, Mohan Kabir Krishna. Mohanda, as he is called by many of us, he loves to tell stories that radiates happiness and has emotional maturity. He believes that one can change when you listen to stories, and one can bring transformation to lives when you listen to stories. So over to Mohan Kabir Krishna with the story of a magical lamp with a difference. Mohanda.
Hi. Hello, everybody. So we're going to listen to a story of the magic lamp. Not only a magic lamp, when you rub the magic lamp, out comes a jinn. So we're going to see what a magic lamp can do to your life and what a jinn can do and what can we learn from that. Dr. Pelunath was from Kolkata, my country. He had come to Chennai for some treatment. And the doctor told him, you don't have much time to live. So he come for some treatment. He was staying somewhere here, close by Adyar, in an apartment complex. In the evening, he used to walk down to a park nearby to watch the children play. He and his wife were alone. And he was alone and he didn't have any company. His grandchildren were all away. So he used to come there and watch the children play, all of them making a lot of noise. He found one small girl, however, very sad, seated at one corner and playing with a lamp. She was doing this with the lamp. So he went to her and said, hi, what's your name? She looked at him and said, my name is Selvi. He said, okay, oh, your name is Selvi. What are you trying to do? He said, I read in a book that when you rub the lamp, a genie will come. I'm trying to call a genie or jinn. He said, why do you want to call a jinn? So see, uncle, yesterday I left my doll somewhere here and it is gone. So I thought I will ask the jinn to get me back the doll. He said, so easy. But when you rub the lamp, you have to chant a mantra. If you just rub the lamp, your hands will get dirty. But you have to chant a mantra. She said, what mantra? He said, you repeat with me. Hold the lamp in your left hand. Keep your right hand like this and say, chichik pak, chichik pak, chichik pak, chichik pak. What will you say? Chichik pak, chichik pak, chichik pak, chichik pak. So shall we try? Uncle, listen. Chichik pak, chichik pak, chichik pak, chichik pak. And then what happened? Whoosh! There was a beautiful genie. And the genie came singing. Tadina din dinak din elo elo Buddha jin. Tadina din dinak din elo elo Buddha jin. So we said, Ayya, you are not a jinn. He said, why? How will jinn be? He said, jinn will be mottai. And he'll have a long mustache. It will be bare-bodied. And they'll wear 3/4 trousers, He said, where did you say this jinn? So I saw it in a movie. He said, no. Jinns are 3 types. One jinn lives among animals. One jinn lives among monsters. This is a human jinn. People also call us grandfather, In Bengali, they say Dadu. So Dadu is another name for jinn. And we help our grandchildren get what they want. So you tell me what you lost. I said, Dadu, I lost my doll. Can you get it for me? He said, yes, we'll look for your doll. But as they started looking, Selvi's mother called, Selvi, it is late, come home. So she says, uncle, my mummy is calling, I have to go. He said, okay, you go. I'll look for your doll. He looked for the doll. Next day, he said, come back in the evening. When you come, hold the lamp, and what will you say? Chichik pak, chichik pak, chichik pak, chichik pak. How will the jinn come? That's how the jinn will come. So next day, Selvi came. She called. The jinn came. I'm sorry, I couldn't find your doll. But your doll has given me a small letter. So she opened the letter. In that letter, this doll had written, Dear Selvi, I am traveling. I'm not lost. Don't worry. In fact, I've gone to Dadu's country. I've gone to Bengal. I'm there. Every day I'm having rasagullas there. I'm having mishti doi. There is something called mouchak. Okay, there is something called langcha. I'm having all that. I'm having fun. So don't worry. I'm happy. But every day I'll send you a letter. I'll tell you what I'm doing in Bengal. Okay. So what happened? Every evening, Selvi used to come and Dadu used to come. She used to say, Chichik pak, chichik pak. Dadu will say, Eje elo buddhajin. Elo, elo buddhajin. And he used to give her a letter. Every day, letter said, it is Durga Puja time in Kolkata. Okay, there is a beautiful Howrah Bridge here. There is a river here. There is a stadium called Eden Gardens. They are playing cricket there. He used to tell all. There's a cricketer called Shourov Ganguly here. There is a singer called Kishore Kumar here. They used to sing all of about Bengal. It went on for about 35 days. And the doll was still not available. So this time, Selvi, a smart girl, all of like you young children, she told, Dadu, Dadu, how are you looking for my doll without knowing the name of my doll? He said, Ama. By the time I'd learned a little Tamil, he learned only this much. Amava, that's what he learned. And she said, do you know the name of my doll? He said, I don't know. The doll's name is Tenmozhi. Ten, what? Write it. So he wrote. Is a Tenmozi. Tenmozhi. No, uncle, not Tenmozi. Tenmozhi. He said, Ten, what? He said, okay. Let's say Ten. Ten. What is the meaning of Ten? Sweet. Oh, in Bengali, Mishti means sweet. So I'm going to get you a doll that is Mishti. You can call her Ten, but I'll call her Mishti. So by the time the treatment was over, and Professor Phelu had to go back to Bengal. So he and his wife one day went to a shop and got a beautiful doll for our young girl, Selvi. Selvi looked at the doll. She said, Ayya, this is not Tenmozhi. So then, next day again, Dadu came. He said, you keep the doll, we'll find out. So next day again, Dadu came. They again did. Chichik pak, then they did elo buddhajin. And Dadu said, actually, Mishti is Tenmozhi's cousin. They were separated in childhood. So as she has gone there, she has sent her to you. She is as loving as I am, only a little fairer and blue eyes. So Selvi was delighted. She hugged the doll and she said, I'll keep it with me all my life. This time, our Dadu, Feluda, he said, I have to leave now. My grandchildren are calling me. My children are calling me. I have to go back to Kolkata. I have to go back to Bengal. He said, Ayo, you will go away? No, I will not go away. I'll go. Whenever you want me, you just have to pick up the lamp and say, Chichik pak, and I'll come. I'll sing, Eje elo buddhajin, Eje elo buddhajin. But now, as I'm going to tell you, Chattinadin dinakadin, Eje gallo buddhajin. I'm going, Eje gallo buddhajin. With that, Feluda left. And our Selvi and Tenmozhi's cousin Mishti, her father got transferred. They went away to another town. She lost touch with our Feluda. Much later, this young 6-year-old girl, 20 years later, became a very charming 26-year-old Selvi. And she had done very well in studies, and then she had got an assignment to go to the USA for higher studies. The passport, the visa, everything was ready. The tickets were ready. She was packing. When she took out one of the suitcases from the top, our Tenmori fell down. Tenmori's cousin, Mishti, fell down. So when she was about 6, 7 years, she had put it there. After 19 years, she fell down. When she fell down, the bag opened. And from the bag, there was a small piece of paper. She picked out the paper. She saw familiar handwriting. Now she realized that the doll didn't write any letter. All the letters were written by Feluda. And in this letter, what had Feluda written? He had written, "Dear Selvi, in life, all that you love will someday go away from you. Okay? But the love will always return to you in some form or other. Feluda will not be here. Mishti will not be here. Tenmuri will not be here. But love will always be there. And when you want to see love, all you have to do is to do chichikapak, and he will come. Selvi thought of that song. Her voice became choked with emotion. She realized how much love Feluda had given her in that 1 year that she was with him. And she silently thanked Feluda for making her life so beautiful. And Feluda had written there, when you embrace change, when these changes happen, when you accept these changes gracefully, you will grow as a person. Someday you will also become somebody like this Buddhaji. With that, her eyes were filled with tears of joy. Tears come from 3 spots. Tears come from here. Tears come from here. Tears come from the center also. Tears coming from the center will taste salty. You know why? Pain. Tears coming from the corner will taste sweet because they are mishti, happy. So our Selvi's tears came from here. There are also tears coming from this corner. Don't ask me what it is. That means your parents are ashamed of you. So never, tears should not come from the middle corner. It should come from this corner. Cry a lot, okay? So that is very sweet. With that, she packed her bags. She decided that Mishti is traveling with her to the US. She put it in her bag and she was ready. And as she was driving to the airport, there was a nice song being played on the radio. The song said, "Kuch khokar paana hai, kuch paakar khona hai, जीवन का मतलब तो आना और जाना है, दो पल के जीवन से एक उम्र चुरानी." You will get 2 moments to live. You have to grab your life from that, in those 2 moments. जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है, एक प्यार का नगमा है. It's a love story. Chichikapak, 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 dinadin, dinakadin, galu, galu, Buddhaji. What you want from your Buddhaji? Write it out, give it, and then say chichikapak. He will come back and sing for you. Bye. Have a great day. Love you all.
Thank you, Mohanda. Thank you so much. I want to tell that it was so nice, no? The try. Can we try? I'm going to try it with this. Chichikapak, chichikapak. Chichikapak, chichikapak. Tak tinadin. Ei je elo Buddhaji. Nice, no? With nice rhythmic words. I love this story. How about you? You all loved it? Yeah, show a thumbs up, all of you, if you loved the story. Yeah. So we don't lose anything, right? I'm so happy to hear that. So now we go to our next teller. Tenmuri, not Tenmuzi, the sweet, sweet Tenmuzi.